Grigory Grigoryevich Chernetsov was born 1802, Lukh, died 1865, St. Petersburg, was a Russian painter. He is notable mainly for landscapes of various parts of Russia, produced during his travels, but he also was active as portrait and genre painter. From 1837 on, the Chernetsov brothers worked together. In 1838, they traveled down the Volga between Rybinsk and Astrakhan, making landscape sketches on their way, and later using these sketches to make paintings. They also produced a 700 meters long panorama of the banks of the Volga, which eventually was accepted as a gift by Nicholas I.